Hi everybody, thought I'd done my first post of the year. This is something I started at the end of last year, that I started probably about 10, oh fucking hell, about 5 years ago maybe. The undercarriage anyway, so as I said last time, I carried on painting it. Just get a bit of practice in making dioramas again. I don't think she's come out too bad. Just made the base out of some scrap DIY stuff I got knocking about. It's not as 100% as I'd like it, do you know what I mean, but I've had enough of building this one now for a bit, so I'm going to stick it in the cupboard. And when I get some more materials, I might have got to put a bit of water in there and use it as a practice piece for some mud materials. It's been a hell of a build. It's nearly broke me in some places. It's so fragile once you put the etched brass bits on. It's just a general pain in the arse, and I really forgot how delicate these things were, being kind of a heavy-handed geezer. Sort of just reminds me like, don't touch it, just don't touch it after a certain stage. Nothing too fancy, just a nice little crack. I mean, I think the main reason I bought this because I thought the vehicle was just a lovely looking odd vehicle made by Porsche, designed by Porsche. It's a sort of a muddy ground recovery vehicle. From what I heard, though, it was pretty shit, but the vehicle looks pretty nice. Not a perfect build, as I said, just getting back into it. But anyway, see you later. Probably going to do some wargaming stuff now. It's a bit of a palette cleanser. So, latest peeps.